Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I think I know what's in here, but I'm not 100% sure. You guys do, because once again, you've already seen the thumbnail. Real quick here, thanks so much to all my generous patrons who are supporting me. Really, really means the world to me. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, have a look around, get your hands on some cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits, there is a link in the description. As usual, we are getting into this package with the Spyderco PM2. You can check that out in the Amazon store that I always reference in the Spyderco section. This is not what I thought. Okay. I have no idea what this is. I have absolutely no idea. Oh my goodness. Oh, I definitely know what it is now. Hold on a sec. I have to walk away. Oh man, I was not ready for that. Oh my gosh. So I thought this was the Benchmade Autocrat because I couldn't remember. Spoiler alert, I don't know when you guys are watching this. I have a Benchmade Autocrat coming from somebody else. This was substantially better. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Anybody who doesn't know what this is, this is a Dauntless. These, I'm sure you guys can tell why I'm a big fan of this. You guys know that I recently purchased the ProTech. Oh my gosh, the words that are associated with it, because it's two companies that are actually the same thing. And they collaborated with ProTech to make it's the auto, oh my gosh, I can't remember what I'm saying. But surely, I mean, to a lot of you, the appearance is going to say it all here. Why can I not remember the name? I'm so flustered right now because I can't believe that I'm handling this. Oh boy. So for a long time, and actually still to this day, I have considered this design to be one of the most perfect designs that have ever been out there. This design, oh my gosh, the history behind this and the collaborations in, you know, like custom form and mid-tech form and production form with all of these famous makers, and then down to like your ultra high-end production and your automatics with ProTech, this most recent one. I keep, my brain keeps popping up, it's Prometheus Design Works. PDW, Invictus, but then the Invictus and the Dauntless, and oh man, I promise when we do the review, I'm so jumbled right now. When we do the review, I will tie all the history together and explain exactly what I'm talking about, because I've been following this knife, this design, and all of the different, the massive complex web that surrounds this knife for so long. And this is, you know, much more an OG design. And people who know the history will be correcting and filling in the blanks as I verbally stumble around them. My goodness, what a beautiful, beautiful knife. Holy cow, this is wonderful. Such a an understated, such a simplistic aesthetic, right? But man, is it solid and feels good right here. Ooh, that lockup right there. That's what I like, is that big, full forward choil. That is just wonderful. Thank you so much. This was actually sent by Ben. Ben, thank you so much. He messaged me and was like, "Hey, do you want to look at this?" And I was like, ugh, you know, yeah. This is not something that comes along every day. Like, this is something that I will sit. I used to sit on blade forms and just like refresh, hoping, you know, at some point I was like, if I just like refresh hour by hour, certainly at some point I'll see something pop up, right? If I just do this for like weeks at a time. Obviously, nobody can be that dedicated, but that was my mentality at one point, trying to seek one of these out. I mean, it never happened. I mean, even when I put up posts like, hey, this is what I'm looking for. If somebody has it, let me know. Yeah, it never worked out. So this is wonderful to be able to get my hands on this on the channel. Ben, thank you so much for sending this guy along. I am very excited about this. I hope you guys are too. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.